How to make uniform thin films using a slot die coater by infinityPV. Start by preparing your coating solution. Weigh out the desired material and add the appropriate solvents. Stir the mixture at elevated temperatures until fully dissolved and homogeneous. Next, cut a piece of substrate and place it on the vacuum chuck. Align the substrate in the coating direction. Set the base temperature and turn on the hot plate. Then activate the vacuum chuck to secure the substrate in place. Now, assemble the slot die head and mount it on the slot die coater. Fill a syringe with your coating solution. Attach the fitting kit and connect it to the slot die head. Secure the syringe to the pump, ensuring it is tightly connected. Set your desired coating speed. Align the slot die head cross-web position with the substrate, then adjust the coating gap to achieve the intended film thickness. Set the ink flow rate and start the pump. The solution will begin to flow from the syringe into the slot die head. Wait for the formation of a stable meniscus. Press the forward button to begin coating. The slot die coater will automatically stop once it reaches the end. Raise the slot die head and return it to the start position. Adjust the crossweb position if you plan to coat a second stripe. After the coating is complete, remove the syringe and withdraw any remaining solution from the slot die head. Detach and disassemble the slot die head for thorough cleaning. If you're applying multiple layers, repeat the process for each layer. Reassemble the slot die head, mount it, align it, and repeat the coating sequence with your next material. Once all layers are coated, your uniform thin film sample is ready for the next processing steps, whether it's drying, curing, characterization, or device integration.